Morning. It's 1st of July, Monday, beginning of a fresh week. My name is Vijay. Welcome to yet another edition of pre-market commentary. Yesterday, in my weekly roundup, I had mentioned that the political uncertainty which was hovering around the markets is over and done with the JDU completely surrendered when they brought in the working president, who is a ex-BJP character. Mr. Naidu also has formulated a strategy, it seems, that his main aim is to see Jagan Mohan going to jail, and he will not rest until that. And the biggest ally for that will be the BJP, which is quite capable of putting him in jail. So he will focus on putting that guy into jail and not worry too much about rocking the boat because it makes no sense to him. The third political uncertainty was the Maharashtra government, which now has come into giving SOPs. I think you'll also see the other government, that is the Haryana government, which is going into polls this next 3 months. They will also come out with SOPs. So you will have what I would say a political upheaval, which we were thinking will not happen, a political stability. So if the market has to come down, it will come down on its own weight. It will not be because of political instability. Now let's look at what's happening today. Today, the market, I think, will be a good place to buy on decline. Of course, stocks like Reliance and the private sector banks, which did very well, may not repeat their performance today. But what may happen is the baton may be taken by the metals, especially SAIL, Tata Steel. And you'll also see some pullback in the auto stocks, in the sense auto stocks may be in the limelight because their monthly numbers are due today. We are bullish on two-wheelers because I think whatever it is, the budget will do something to rev up the rural economy. The fact that Maharashtra government is now decided to put 1,500 rupees into the ladies' accounts clearly shows the intention of the government as to where they're going. So when you look at last week, for instance, you see the volumes have started to increase. In fact, on Thursday, the volume was about 1.75 lakh crores, and on Friday, it was 1.44 lakh crores. I didn't do daily commentary on Friday, so that is why I'm just comparing Thursday and Friday. What it means is now that 1 lakh crores, 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 15 crores, 1,000 crores, 1 lakh 10, 15,000 crores is no longer the norm. Norm will be more than 1 lakh 30,000 crores. This may continue till budget, which means that more and more people are getting into the market because they have made the money or they've seen others making the money. So the party continues. But the party could be very script specific now on. It may not do much on the index. For all we know, index may fall another 300, 400 points, and yet the market would remain buoyant. Unless there is some scandal or scam, a fresh scam comes out about, then we may have some more volatility. Otherwise, buy on declines. The people who do short-term trading will win by buy on decline. So if you look at last week's heroes, which was IT, also may take a back seat. Then look at what DIs have been doing. On Friday, DIs have bought about 6,650 crores, while the FIs have sold hardly 20, 30 crores. So DIs are ruling the roost. Money is coming in furiously. Of course, the IPOs and FPOs are also waiting in the wings. The Ola IPO is due anytime, so it will suck up tens of thousands of crores. But then you see, only when the market breaks important supports, I would say 23,200 is a very strong support, though it is about 800 points from here. But in a bull market, one should be able to take drops of even 500, 600 points and yet be okay. As I said, the indices don't matter much. What matter will be the scripts, and there are enough number of sectors and scripts, more than sectors, scripts, which still look reasonably priced. I had mentioned yesterday that we have got into some, apart from pharma, we've got into textile stocks, which are at 20p and below. and some other miscellaneous stocks like V2 Switchgear, which we bought on Friday, which is in the right sector, but now has not yet been identified. I am not saying that one should buy that. I am only saying what I have bought. Please note, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever you do, you please take the advice of your financial advisor and then go ahead. If you look at what happened to the Asian markets, Nikkei opened strong and it is down from the morning, but it's still up by about 100 points. Hang Seng, I think, is closed today. Singapore is doing nothing much. And the US 10-year yield remarkably moved up from 4.26 on Thursday to about 4.42. Right now it is trading at a 4.40, but still within the band of 4.25 to 4.5. Gold and silver are lackluster, so is dollar. Generally, it is a lackluster opening day, but the indices are not the place to be, or the large caps may not all of them do well. You will see sectors doing well and stocks, but certainly doing well. Of course, you can also look at shorting at higher levels, but that will come through the day. We'll have our opinion through the day somewhere in my Telegram group. So whatever you do today, I hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me here. It's Vijay signing off.